The serpent, a symbol of evil since the creation of the world, is reputed for its silent movements as it pounces on its prey. This legless reptile, equipped with powerful muscles, contracts these muscles to enable its mobile ribs, attached to the vertebrae, to swiftly slide its long cylindrical body. Without visible ears, it cannot perceive airborne sounds, but its eyes, covered by a transparent membrane that never closes, ensure constant vigilance. Many snakes possess venomous fangs, which are modified teeth located at the front or back of the jaw. These formidable weapons serve to paralyze and even kill their victims. Snakes feed on rodents, frogs, birds, and lizards, which they usually swallow whole. They can live up to 20 years, during which they shed their skin multiple times. Among the most common species in the grassy or stony regions of Europe, the grass snake is a serpent with weak venom and deeply embedded fangs, which can only penetrate small animals. It is recognizable by its round pupil, resembling a dog's eye. The viper is more dangerous, as its venom can be lethal. Its identifying features are a triangular head marked with a dark V and a slit pupil similar to that of a cat. Giant predators. Some snakes reach colossal sizes. The titanobo, according to current knowledge, is the largest snake ever to have lived on Earth. Fossilized remains found in Colombia, dated to 60 million years ago, suggest it was 14 meters long and weighed 2 tons. Very impressive species can be found in tropical regions. The boa constrictor can exceed 4 meters. The anaconda, infamous as a man-eater, and the python can grow up to 10 meters. Unlike other snakes, they are non-venomous. They grasp their victim by the head and coil around it until it suffocates. Haborym, the demon of fires, is recognizable by his 3 heads. One of a cat and another of a viper frame a human face with a mustache, goatee, and flaming hair. Elevated to the rank of Duke of Hell, he rides a serpent with a burning torch in hand. He commands 26 infernal legions with which he destroys cities and military camps. Hindu cosmology. He is called Shisho, meaning remainder, or Ananta, which means endless. This 5-headed serpent, hooded with 5 scarlet flames, is part of Indian mythology. Often depicted with Vishnu, the god of creation and life, whom he carries on his coils, he symbolizes what remains after the end of each cosmic cycle and is also the foundation supporting the heavens and the earth. Chinese astrology. The 6th sign in Chinese astrology, the serpent symbolizes reflective, cultured, and refined beings. It is wary and does not readily believe what it is told, but prefers to assess situations on its own and manage them in its way. It is secretive, speaks little, and dislikes chatterboxes. In Eastern countries, it represents wisdom, perseverance, and insight. A great seducer, it likes to be sought after as a counselor but detests being deceived and cannot stand resistance. Its interests lie in the arts, fashion, and gardening. Benevolent spirit. The Egyptians venerated a serpent demon with a human face named Agatha demon. He was considered a benevolent spirit, akin to dragons and winged serpents. The original sin in Genesis, the serpent was the most cunning of all the wild animals that God had made, the one that dared to suggest to Eve that she pick the forbidden fruit. To God's reproach, the woman replied,
"The serpent deceived me, and I ate."
Then God became angry and said to the serpent,
"Because you have done this, cursed are you above all livestock and all wild animals. You will crawl on your belly and eat dust all the days of your life.